Whipped coffee is the new coffee craze, and it's as delicious as it sounds. In a large mixing bowl, place 2 tablespoons of instant coffee, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 2 tablespoons of warm water. Using a hand mixer, beat the ingredients together for about 5 minutes, or until the mixture thickens and turns a light golden brown color. Place ice into a glass and pour 1 cup of milk on top. Spoon the whipped coffee into the glass and try not to gulp it down. Whipped coffee is a creamy, decadent drink you can make in minutes. To add additional flavor, such as cinnamon or a flavored syrup, you can stir it in after you've whipped the coffee. I hope you enjoy.